Galgotia's University, established in 2011 under Srimati Shakuntala Educational and Welfare Society, is located in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. It has earned an overall rating of 4 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's dive into the details of its BSc program. Starting right off with the 3.8 rated placements. According to the NIRF 2024 report, 1,021 students graduated from the UG 3-year program in 2022-23, with 65% securing placements and 31% opting for higher studies. The median salary was 3 lakh per annum, a 58% increase from the previous year. Leading companies like Biocon, Novo Nordisk, Swiggy, Tata, Amazon, and Adobe hire for roles such as scientists, software developers, and research scientists as per students. When compared to the nearby Sharda University and KR Mangalam University, Galgotia's median salary of 3 lakh per annum is a bit lower compared to KRMU and almost on par with Sharda University. Internships at Galgotia's are somewhat limited and many students take off-campus opportunities. Moving on now to academics, where the 3-year BSc program is highly rated at 4.1 on Shiksha.com, and with 66 specializations including unique ones like forensic science, medical radiology, and game design and development, students can pursue diverse fields. Students with 75% marks or a 7.5 CGPA by the 6th semester can opt for an additional 1-year research-based extension. Programs like medical lab technology and cardiovascular technology require a 1-year internship for graduation. The admission process requires a minimum of 50% in 12th with PCB and considers CUET scores, although the exact cutoff is not available. Tuition fees ranges from 45,000 to 1.35 lakhs annually, while hostel fee ranges from 1.26 lakhs to 1.55 lakhs depending on room occupancy. Galgotia's University provides several scholarships based on merit, entrance exam performance, and alumni status. Now let's shift focus to infrastructure, which has received a rating of 4.1 stars. The campus spans 52 acres and is well connected, located 61.5 kilometers from the Indira Gandhi International Airport and 46.3 kilometers from Nizamuddin railway station. The Wi-Fi enabled campus boasts an air-conditioned auditorium, seminar rooms, and specialized labs such as those for nutrition, preclinical science, and microbiology. Students also have access to advanced instruments like centrifuges and microscopes. Hostel facilities are decent and nutritious meals are available in the mess and canteen. Sports facilities include both indoor and outdoor arenas, a swimming pool, a fully functional gym. Additional amenities on campus include a bank, ATM, healthcare services, and laundry. Turning our attention to faculty and course, which have received a rating of 4.2 stars. Faculty members are highly qualified, with most holding PhD degrees, and students appreciate their teaching quality and supportive approach. The curriculum benefits from collaborations with institutions like Felix Hospital, Wallinga University, and IHG Academy, along with industry partnerships with IBM, Google Cloud, Radisson, and Agnitio Pharma. To sit for exams, students must maintain a minimum attendance of 75% and secure a grade point of 4 to pass. Let's now take a look at the campus life with a rating of 4.4 stars. It is vibrant with clubs dedicated to dramatics, literature, and sports alongside events throughout the year. The annual Cultural Fest Urifest is a highlight of the year. Finally, Galgotia's University ranks within the 101 to 150 band in the NIRF 2024 University category. For more details on Galgotia's University, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, and to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.